The Porsche 911 Turbo S is a high-performance sports car that exemplifies engineering precision, heritage, and innovation. As one of the most powerful and technologically advanced models in the 911 lineup, the Turbo S has become an icon for both driving enthusiasts and automotive purists. At the heart of the 911 Turbo S is a 3.8-liter, twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that produces an impressive 640 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This engine, mounted at the rear in traditional 911 fashion, is mated to an 8-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung (PDK) dual-clutch automatic transmission, which delivers ultra-fast gear changes with seamless performance. The car features all-wheel drive, providing exceptional traction and handling capabilities in virtually all driving conditions. With launch control engaged, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The design of the 911 Turbo S is both elegant and aggressive. Its wide body stance, distinctive LED matrix headlights, active aerodynamic elements such as a deployable front spoiler and rear wing, and large air intakes at the rear fenders all contribute to its unmistakable presence. The car sits low to the ground with a carefully sculpted shape that optimizes downforce and minimizes drag. Optional lightweight packages can further enhance its aerodynamics and reduce overall mass. Inside, the 911 Turbo S is a blend of luxury and motorsport-inspired functionality. The cabin is meticulously crafted with high-grade materials including leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Standard features include 18-way adaptive sport seats, a multifunction GT steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster with both analog and digital displays. Porsche's advanced infotainment system, known as Porsche Communication Management (PCM), comes equipped with a 10.9-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and a premium Bose or optional Burmester sound system. Driving dynamics are where the 911 Turbo S truly stands apart. Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM), rear axle steering, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control (PDCC), and a standard Sport Chrono package all contribute to a finely tuned driving experience that is both stable at high speeds and agile in corners. The car can transition from being a comfortable grand tourer to a razor-sharp track machine at the press of a button. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to standard carbon ceramic brakes that offer fade-free stopping power. The Turbo S also features cutting-edge safety and driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, and night vision assist. While it remains a driver-focused machine, Porsche has equipped it with enough technology to enhance comfort and security without diminishing the purity of the driving experience. Despite its remarkable performance, the 911 Turbo S maintains a surprising level of everyday usability. With two small rear seats, a front trunk, and the option of a cabriolet version, it balances practicality with exhilaration. It is a car that feels just as comfortable on a cross-country drive as it does on a closed racing circuit. As a culmination of decades of evolution and motorsport influence, the Porsche 911 Turbo S represents the pinnacle of the 911 series in terms of power, refinement, and versatility. It delivers an extraordinary blend of speed, comfort, and sophistication that few other vehicles can match, making it a benchmark not just in its segment, but in the entire automotive world. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.